your hide or delete YouTube channel. Hey guys, everything good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video updated in 2024, I show how you can hide or delete your YouTube channel. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you. So come on guys, first step is you go to YouTube and you're going to click up here on your profile picture. Then you're going to click on YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you're going to click here on Settings down here in this side menu. In Settings, you're going to look for Channel option here in General, and you're going to click here on Channel. And it's going to look for Advanced Settings option up here. So it's going to go down all the way down. And it's going to be here guys. Remove content from YouTube, you're going to click. Here it asks if you want to hide your channel, you can hide your channel. Then come back with it, being able to reactivate it later. I want to delete, so go clicking here below. I want to permanently delete my content. So it'll show you here how much will be deleted, how many videos will be deleted, how many subscribers, everything will be deleted. You have to mark that checkbox and also here below all your subscriptions. YouTube Premium, if you have YouTube TV, will be cancelled. Simply click here below on Delete Content. Here you'll enter the password for your email linked to the account. Then you'll click here confirming the deletion of your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, post them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be leaving for now. A big hug. God be with you. Thanks, guys.